You see that white car all the way down there? He just went across this middle part, which is, again, it's a no driving zone. He went across there just to get on the right side. That's the desperation people have. Hopefully, you know, my suspicion is that he's not even late for anything. You know, he's just simply driving what they call aggressively and just, trying to be a pain in the butt. That is a person that would cause an accident. Look at this guy. See? No reason for what he's doing. None. And he doesn't need to go on the right? He's not trying to get out of the exit. He just needs to fill the empty hole. That is all it's all about. He's rushing. You know, he's a candidate to rear end somebody. This is the irresponsibility of drivers out there. See, there he goes. He went to the right side again. See, speeding in and out through traffic because he needs to get nowhere quick. Nowhere quick. As a matter of fact, I have to be someplace in about 13 minutes from now, right? And I'm probably be there 2 or 3 minutes late or so because you know what? I'm taking it easy. I'm not rushing there. Not that they can fire me for not being there on the exact moment. But still, if you need to get somewhere quick, you need to get somewhere at a certain time, then get out early, for goodness sakes. See, get out early. You're not doing nothing important in your house anyway. You're just wasting time. And because you waste time, then you get on the highway and put people's lives and limbs at risk. Please. You know what? Quit it. Get out earlier, drink your coffee earlier, put the automatic coffee maker on. Get out earlier. Give yourself extra half-hour travel time of cushion time and get to places relaxed, not stressed. Find your parking. You know what? Do your cosmetic, your makeup in the car at the place before you get out your car. Stop living your life rushed and at the nick of time type of living, because one of these days you're just not going to arrive. And I feel sorry for the other innocent person that you probably extinguished from their life because of your foolishness. So let's quit it. This is essential driving lessons. I taught some people how to drive. I learned how to drive from very great drivers, steady hands, people who did not get into accidents. And, and I'm passing that on to all you young guys out there and girls, and also to everyone out there having issues. And we're going to talk about road rage in subsequent videos as well. I'm going to talk about how to handle stuff. Like right now, let's leave that for another video. That's fine. Okay, take care.